back with a new video. How to make a frog. To make a frog, first we want to fold like this. Now we should cut it into two pieces. Like this. Now take one paper, then fold it like this. Then open, then fold like this. Open it, take the other side of the paper, then again fold it. Like this. Now open, take the other part, then fold it like this. Side also. Now open, then fold like this. Do it carefully. Like this, and the side also. Like this. Now we should fold like this. The four sided also. Now we should fold like this. Same like that for the four-sided. Like this. Now take the other side of the paper, fold it like this. Another side also. Like this. Now fold this triangular piece like this. Now open. You can see here both the sides here a hole. We should insert this inside here. Like this. Now we should fold it again jumping frog is finished. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe, like and share. See you soon with my new craft. Bye.